welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing some mom jeans that I purchased from Fashion Nova. So without further ado, let's get straight into that video and see some of the things that I purchased. So before I try them on, I will be going over each pair and just show you what it looks like. So I'm just double checking the bag just to make sure that everything I purchased was delivered. So I purchased 3 pairs of, I got it from my mama jeans, 2 in a size 5 and 1 in a size 7. Don't break the yoke mom jeans and pinch me straight leg jeans and high-waisted skinnies. So now let's get into the trying on. So the first pair, these jeans are called I Got It From My Mama jeans, and they're in dark denim and they're actually in a size 7. I was actually very shocked that I was able to get into a size 7 because the rest that I purchased were actually a size 5. So these do feel very comfortable. And these actually cost me $49.99. Now the second pair is called Don't Break the Yoke mom jeans in light blue wash. These are in a size 5 and they were $34.99. They feel very comfortable around the waist and just comfortable around the legs as well. You can dress these up or you can dress them down. I also like that they're not so tight, and that's the look that I was actually going for when I made this purchase. The third pair are called Pinch Me Straight Leg jeans, and these are also in a size 5 and they were $34.99. I did not expect them to be this dark, considering the picture shows them to be in kind of like a medium blue wash. So I didn't expect them to be this dark, but I still like them overall, and I love how they fit. My next pair are called high-waisted skinnies in white, and these costed me $24.99 and they are a size 5. Kind of felt a little tight for a size 5 because I usually wear a 3 when it comes to high-waisted skinnies, but Fashion Nova sometimes varies with sizes. I still like it. So my 5th pair is I got it from my mama jeans again, and I got these in the color medium. They're a size 5 and they were $39.99. I think these are like one of my favorites that I really like of all the jeans that I purchased this time around. They feel very, very comfortable. Now the last pair is another one of my favorites. This is I got it from my mama jeans in black and a size 5 and they were $49.99. So I love how they fit. I love the color. I just love it in general. It's very comfortable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video, and I hope this will help others that will want to purchase some mom jeans. Till next time, it is goodbye and